What's up, fellow farmers all over the world? Hi, this is your friend, your friendly farmer coming from the Philippines. This is James, and we are here right now showing you the first blessing that we received from our farming this year, 2020. We have 2 kids coming from a single doe. But enough about goats. Now we will go to our topic, which is how we transfer our Zampen chickens to the ranging area coming from their very own brooder. This is the brooder that I'm talking about. But before anything else, we would like to introduce to you the roosters that we are selling. These are Rhode Island Red Roosters, specifically from our very own flock. They are aged at almost 1 year and 1 month, and we sell them at a cost which is much lower because we want to dispose of them. Our feed costs are in an all-time high right now. We have an overpopulation of roosters, and we want them to be easily disposed of. But you can see they're eating rice bran and feeds. These roosters are used to upgrade the size of the native chicken in places that we sell them, and usually they come here at the farm to buy these roosters. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. We are here at our farm and we are transferring the native chickens or the Zampen chickens to the ranging area now. So these are the Zampen chickens on the ranging area with some darag native chickens. You can see them. Away, oh. Girag away. Some of them have picked feathers. Their feathers are picked while they were in the brooder. So the business plan for these chickens will be the males with undesirable traits will be sold for cull, and the males with good traits or the traits that we want to preserve will be preserved, and they will stay here as breeders. And that will go also out for the females that we have here. So all of them are vaccinated. We have our vaccination programs. So these are our hubbards. The environment in this area is very different from the environment on my left. They are very calm, cool and collected, while here this is very violent here. In the ranging area, they will be fed for the final selection of the chickens that will be used as our breeders. Some of them, unfortunately, will be culled and some of them will remain. That is the business model that we are trying to apply in the farm. As of the recording of this video, they are approximately at age 2 months. Asa man? Ibili naman na. May logo naman na. Apili. Sir, muna akong ibaligya si mga sir. Ini siya. Wala akong baligya ni mo. Rhode Island Red yun na pure. We hope that you enjoyed watching the video. You can see that it's already night time, and we will ask for your help for us to be monetized so that we can help other people also, and also the farmers in our base. I hope that in time we'll be good at doing videos, and this is just for practice and just for filling up the videos that we need in our YouTube channel. Hopefully we'll become good at this. That will be of help to people who really wants to learn how to raise chickens and to earn profit, so that it will help their way of living. So thank you, and more power to everyone.